A multitude of supporters from the national resistance movement in Napak District gathered at Narakorio Playground in Matani Town Council to welcome their national chairman and the presidential candidate Yoweri Kaguta Museveni as he concluded his campaign in the Karamoja region. Accompanied by the First Lady Kataha Museveni, who previously served as Minister for Karamoja Affairs and oversaw significant development in the area, the First Lady urged the people to safeguard the gains achieved.
I have been trying to remind the Karamojong that NRM is the government for Karamoja.
Abalaki mat achamta limoke ni Karamojong etenye etia temare apukani ngena alo Karamojong ingezi ngena KNRM.
God has used this president and the NRM government to bring the peace that is in Karamoja now and in the whole of Uganda. So all Ugandan adults have a responsibility to protect this peace and unity for the continuation of development of Uganda.
Despite heavy rain, President Museveni highlighted his role in pacifying Karamoja, which has led to the region's transformation through roads, electricity, education, and health facilities, urging residents of Napak to vote for continuity.
I said, let them get the guns, bring the guns, we shall defend them against the Turkanas and those from Kenya and South Sudan. You have now seen the results. I want to thank everybody who was involved in supporting that disarmament. Therefore, here in Karamoja, you can check how much have we achieved of that economic infrastructure. The tarmac road is now here. The electricity is here. The telephones are here. The water, it is raining. I have the figures here in the file, but I don't want my file to be wet. So this is all part of physical infrastructure. But there's also social infrastructure, meaning the schools and the health centers. But the plan is for each parish to have a government primary school, and for each sub-county to have a government secondary school, and technical schools, at least one per district. That is the plan. What has been achieved is noted, but what is not yet done will be done. That's why we're asking for your support.
He pledged to provide individual water dams to boost agriculture productivity, noting that communal dams are no longer sufficient.
The dams are good. But where we are going, we are going to see how to have individualized water, like Lokong, the one you saw there. Those pigs of his can't go to the well. He needs water near the house. Or as you saw Yamkama irrigating his garden. We are going to, I've already told the government how to work out that massive plan of individualized water supply especially for production.
President Museveni also emphasized that the policy of free education in the government schools will more effectively be implemented in the next term, warning against any effort to undermine it.
But in the next government, we should insist on free education in government schools. Because this money, the school charges are really murder against our children. Because you can see how easy it is to destroy the future of these young people like these ones here. But when I gave them a course of just 6 months, they become very productive people.
District leaders acknowledged the ongoing developments in Napak, but appealed to the NRM candidate to consider dividing the district to create a new entity named Yoweri District. They also requested a government hospital as the existing one is privately owned.
And we have a population of 211,000 covered in Napak District, and therefore there is a need for us to have a separate district named as Yoweri District. We request for the district government hospital. Currently, Napak relies so much on Matany, which is a private hospital.
Our lack of water for livestock and for crop farming, for production, it will be a lack in Karamoja. So we are excited that he has made that commitment. He has also made the commitment to maintain peace. He has also made the commitment towards free education. You heard when our people, you related when he said there will be free education for our students. Our students of secondary who are now unable to proceed with their education because of the cost, the prohibitive cost of an education. So we are excited about that.
On Friday, the NRM candidate, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is expected to present his manifesto in the Teso sub-region districts of Kabremaido and Kalaki. Philip Aguta for UBC News in Napak.